If you make blankets or plushies, you're going to want to learn about this yarn. Hey y'all, it's iVibes Crochet here, and today we're going to be reviewing the Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing yarn. So stay tuned. So hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm iVibes Crochet, and I crochet plushies, blankets, wearables, whatever you can think of. I do it all. And on top of being a crocheter, well, I should say my favorite thing about being a crocheter is purchasing yarn. I just love the colors, the textures. Sometimes I feel like it gives me more joy than actually crocheting. And I found a gem that I have been working on for the last couple of days, and I had to hop on here and share with you all why I love it so much. So this is the Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing yarn. This is in the color Dark Orchid, so it's like a purple. It's a very plush, soft blanket yarn. I purchased this on the Yarnspirations website during Black Friday. At the time I purchased it, I believe they were doing 40% off, maybe 50% off. I bought 5 skeins of it to make a blanket, and before shipping, my total was about $40. So I think I paid about $8 for each skein. Right now, it is available on the Yarnspirations website, and I can drop a link in the description box so you all can find it if you want to go look for it. Right now, it's on the Yarnspirations website, priced at $14.99 with 30% off. And I believe Michael's also has it, but I think they're sold out of a lot of the skeins. It's also available on Amazon for about $11. It comes in a pack. It's sold by the Bernat store. So it's $11 per skein, $22 for the whole pack. And Herrschners also has it. I'm not sure off the top of my head what Herrschners price point is, but I will put it here once I find out. So that is where you can purchase the yarn. It is a weight 6 yarn. It is, for me, it feels a little thinner than a lot of the weight 6 yarns that I have tried. It's very soft to the touch. I have been working on this project here over the course of about 3 days, and I'm making a textured blanket. This is how it's coming out. I think it is absolutely beautiful. It's soft to the touch. It feels like a nice weight. It feels like a very quality item. It's a nice weight. I'm not getting any shedding. I haven't ran into any factory knots. It's been one continuous piece of yarn for the entire skein. It is so soft, so smooth, so buttery. The crochet hook just glides through it. I haven't had any issues at all. It's very easy to crochet with. I love it. So far, I love it. So this particular yarn is the weight 6 yarn, and it is described as super bulky, which I don't feel like it's super bulky at all. And it comes in this 10.5 ounce or 300 gram skein, and it's 220 yards, and it's polyester. I do think it's still great quality, and it says that you're to use an 8mm hook with it. I'm using a 7mm hook to crochet my blanket. I usually always size down from the recommendations on the package. So that is the gist of it. I chose to make a blanket with this, but I feel like you can make pretty much anything you want to, like a sweater, a scarf. I think this would make really nice plushies, especially given the phasing. Don't know what kind of plushies you would make with it, but So far, first impressions, I love it. It's a very soft quality yarn in my opinion. The price point when it's on sale, it's affordable for me. And you get so much out of one skein. I think for this blanket is supposed to be 60 inches. And I think this is a standard throw. So it's 50 by 60. And I think on the first skein, I got it up to about 12 inches tall or so. And I'm still working through the second skein, and this is how much I have left. So it's only going to take 5 skeins for me to finish this project. If you are selling it, you are going to have to sell it at a higher price point for it to make sense. So that's just something to be aware of. Okay, y'all, so just for reference, this is another one of Bernat's blanket yarn. This is also a weight 6 yarn, described as super bulky. I would typically use this yarn to make plushies. It is a blanket yarn, so you can make blankets with this, but I just want you to see the difference between the two. Like, I feel like this Bernat blanket one is rounder, thicker compared to this one, the purple one, the Perfect Phasing yarn, which is kind of flat actually if you look at it up close, and it's a lot thinner, but supposedly they're the same weight. So yeah, this is a lot more dense. It's circular and it's just thicker overall, but apparently they're the same weight. I have never crocheted a blanket with this before, but I find with this type of Bernat blanket yarn, it's hit or miss, because sometimes you get a skein that's a little bit rougher and harder to crochet with, especially depending on the color. But this one is very soft. So again, I use this yarn preferably to make plushies, and this I just prefer for blankets. And obviously this finished blanket is a lot thicker. It's heavy, but it's so cozy, it's so soft. I made this about a year ago. I've washed it several times and it's still retained its plushness, its softness. It still feels so good to the touch. So I use the Bernat Perfect Phasing extra thick yarn on this, and I'm not sure what weight it was. I think it may be an 8 or a 9, but like this is what this skein, this is what the strands are like. They are thick. Like, she's a thick girl. Like, if you compare them, I'll try to get, this blanket is so heavy. I am struggling right now. So if you compare them, this is what the two look like. I'm actually going to look it up to see what weight it is, and then I'll put it on here somewhere so you could get an idea. But the extra thick compared to the regular one, like, look what a difference. I used my fingers to crochet this blanket just because it was so thick, and I've washed it several times. It hasn't unraveled, it hasn't shed on me, and there aren't even any knots in it. There were no factory knots. And when I joined the colors, I didn't tie them to knot them. I burned them together and it still held up nicely. So it just goes to show, like, just how much quality the Bernat Blanket Perfect Phasing yarn is, regardless of the weight that you're choosing. You're gonna make a quality item with this, I guarantee it. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and finish the blanket. and then show you all the finished results when I'm done, which will probably be in a couple of days because it's taking so long. I didn't realize just how long a blanket would take. The only blanket I've ever crocheted is the pink one I showed you, and that took like 2 hours because the yarn is so thick. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my blanket and show you guys the finished results, and then if you want a pattern, I'll probably make a pattern as well. So I'll put that in the description box as well. But final thoughts on this yarn. I absolutely love this yarn. It's a bit pricey. Regular price is $14.99 per skein, but you do get so much out of each skein. I recommend this yarn for blankets, plushies, wearables like sweaters. It's very soft, it's durable, it holds up in the washing machine. I haven't washed the weight 6, but based on the size of the thicker weight yarn and how I held the blanket together, I can say that it's machine washable for sure. It's durable and it feels like a quality item. It's a plush blanket. It's so soft and so warm, especially in this climate right now. So I highly recommend it. You can purchase it on Yarnspirations, which is where I got mine. You could purchase it on Herrschners. Also, Yarnspiration is doing a 30% off sale right now. Don't know how long it will last. You can purchase it on Herrschners or Amazon. I'll put that link in the description box as well. And I think that's all I can think of to share with you. Shipping took forever from Yarnspirations because I did purchase it during Black Friday, but I don't know if that's just a Black Friday thing or a Yarnspirations thing. But I highly recommend this yarn. Yeah, I would use it over and over again. The only thing I wouldn't, and it doesn't shed. That is my biggest thing with plush or blanket yarn, is the shedding. It drives me crazy, but this one does not shed. The only thing I would not recommend it for is like lightweight clothing that you would want to wear during the warmer months because it's going to make you sweat. It is a warm yarn that's meant to be worn. If you're going to use it to make a wearable, it's meant to be worn during the winter time because it's going to keep you warm and cozy. It's so cozy and so soft. I could just touch this all day long, but yeah. So those are my final thoughts on the Bernat Blanket Perfect phasing yarn. Absolutely love this yarn, and I think you will too. So if you've tried this yarn, let me know what you think. If you do decide to go get it, let me know what you think also. Thank you for watching. Bye.